Hi there, I'm Dr. Wee Meng, a dietitian. Today, I will be breaking down the steps on how to introduce your child to family meals and ensuring they get balanced nutrition while fostering a love for healthy eating. The first step is to progress through textures and introduce a variety of different solid foods. The critical period for developing chewing skills is between 8 and 10 months. Findings suggest that early exposure to a variety of foods and introduction of different textures before 9 to 10 months of age can reduce the likelihood of picky eating. So, it's essential to gradually move from purees to mashed, lumpy foods as well as finger foods during this period. Next, start incorporating family meal times into your child's routine. Begin with 1 family meal a day and gradually increase to 3 meals with 1 to 2 healthy snacks by the time they reach 12 months. Spacing meals and milk feeds about 2 to 3 hours apart helps in naturally reducing milk consumption as they increase their solid foods intake. Family meals are more than just eating. They are opportunities to encourage social interactions and model healthy eating behaviours. Make mealtimes a family affair. Sit together, minimize distractions, and enjoy the time bonding. When your child sees you enjoying a variety of nutritious foods, they are more likely to try and enjoy them too. When you are preparing your child's meal, do consider foods that will suit their developmental needs. Offer appropriately sized, manageable pieces that are safe for your little ones to bite off and chew. Encouraging your child to eat a variety of foods with the family helps them adapt better and explore a range of tastes and textures. Nutritionally, it's important to provide a balanced diet. Use My Healthy Plate for your child's meals and include a mix of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, proteins, and dairy to meet their growing needs. Wholemeal bread, milk, and plain yogurt, fresh fruit, and soft-cooked vegetables provides essential nutrients. They make excellent snack choices too. It is recommended by the World Health Organization to continue breastfeeding your child until they are 2 years old or even older, as long as appropriate solid foods are part of the dietary intake. If your child is over 12 months old and is no longer breastfeeding, they can switch to plain full cream milk along with a well-balanced diet. Plain full cream milk provides essential fats for your child's brain development and gives them the nutrition they need for healthy growth. Drinks are just as important as foods. Stick to plain water and milk for your child. Avoid sugary drinks, flavoured milk, and fruit juice as it contains added sugar, which could lead to dental caries. Variety is key in developing a child's palate. Offer new foods repeatedly. Sometimes it may take over 15 tries for a child to accept a new flavour or texture. Avoid using food as a reward or punishment, as this can create an unhealthy relationship with eating. Instead, keep mealtimes fun and relaxed. Now, let me introduce a healthy recipe that you may try for your toddler. A simple banana pancake that's great for breakfast. Mash the bananas using a fork. Beat the eggs into the mashed bananas and mix until well combined. Add flour and mix gently until no visible flour is seen. Heat a non-stick pan on low heat. Lightly coat with oil or butter. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter and let it bubble before flipping over. Cook for another minute or so until both sides are golden brown. Simple, nutritious, and delicious is a perfect way to start the day for your little one. Encourage your child to eat without distractions and to complete a meal within 30 minutes. Put away digital screens, put away toys, and focus on the meal. Recognizing fullness cues, such as turning their head away or pushing food away, is important in teaching them to listen to their bodies and to develop a healthy relationship with food. Building a healthy relationship with food is a journey that starts early. Encourage a wide variety of foods, keep meals balanced, and make mealtimes a positive experience for your little one. Remember, patience, consistency, and a supportive environment are the keys to success. For more tips and resources on child nutrition and family meals, visit Parent Hub. Let's make every mealtime a joyful, nutritious experience that brings the whole family together. You've got this!